Question number 2, students. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within a circle, so first let us draw a circle, and we will draw two equal chords intersecting each other inside the circle. Prove that the segments of one chord is equal to corresponding segment of the other. Now what is the meaning of this? That you have to understand. So here say they intersect at point P. So you need to prove that CP is equal to BP and AP is equal to DP. Corresponding segments of the chord. तो इस chord का AB chord का BP segment will be equal to CP segment of CD chord. Now I forgot to write given. Given is AB is equal to CD, nothing else. So how will we prove it? Okay. So for that, let us make some construction. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. O is the center, OM, OM and ON. They are perpendicular. Now let us connect OP, and we will prove triangle OMP congruent to triangle ONP. Proof. First, in triangle OMP and triangle ONP, angle M is equal to angle N is equal to 90 degree given. OM is equal to ON from theorem 10.3. That is, if two chords are equal, their perpendicular distances are also equal from the center. And OP is equal to OP common. So by RHS, triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP. Therefore, by CPCT, MP is equal to NP. MP is equal to NP. Right? So now this is first. Now let us start with the second part of this, of the proof. Now see, as AB is equal to CD, therefore half of AB is equal to half of CD. So we can write AM is equal to DN. AM will be equal to DN because their half are also equal. दो चीज इक्वल हैं तो उनके हाफ भी इक्वल हो जाएंगे. हाफ ऑफ ए बी इज ए एम एंड हाफ ऑफ सी डी इज डी एन, क्योंकि ये परपेंडिकुलर है. थियरम 10.3 परपेंडिकुलर हुआ तो ये मिड पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे एम एंड एन. ओके, सो देयरफॉर अब इसमें मैं अगर इन दोनों को ऐड कर दूं तो मुझे मिलेगा ए एम प्लस एम पी इज इक्वल टू डी एन प्लस एन पी. देयरफॉर ए पी इज इक्वल टू डी पी, जो हमें यहाँ प्रूफ करना था. गॉट इट? सो अब ए बी और सी डी इक्वल है, so you can use this space. Now as AB is equal to CD, so AB minus AP is equal to CD minus DP. Therefore CP is equal to BP. Hence proved. Okay. Let us move to question number